Tumingin pa. Yan.
Maingay.
Video mo. Ha?
Ang maingay.
Yan. Kaya pala na ako.
Hi, Ira. How are you?
Buti naman.
Tanong, okay na okay ba kay Miss Lynette?
Nanette.
When it comes to your dynamics, that is, let's just talk about your low register. They're very nice. You have very good low register. But again, when I go back to breathing, the reason why sometimes ang vibrato mo mabagal is because nagkukulan ka ng hangin. Okay? Pero kung magiging tama lang yung vibrato mo, that means tama ang sukat ng hangin doon. Okay? At pagdating naman sa expression, wow, parang ka nang damang-dama mo yung kanta. Yung broken ba, parang ikaw ay nabigo na. Wow, talagang ganda naman ang expression. Kita-kita ko
Kamukha ni Iris.
And
Kamukha ni Iris.
nakita ko naman, nag-enjoy ka naman sa iyong performance and you were not performing for yourself. But I saw that you were performing for the audience. So, ang may bibigay ko sa iyo na okay ay isang okay smiling face.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Tita Nanette.